Alright, so this is going to be a Costco sale item review of this Squishmallow. This is a 16-inch. As you can see, it's a pizza. So the name tag is missing, and I guess its name was Pizza, but it's actually Pep, Sleepy Pep or something. Here you go. I got this original Squishmallows tag made by KellyToy. Alright. Polyester filling fibers. Hand wash, then air dry. Okay. New materials. It's in French, I believe. And yeah, a Jazzwares company. Distributed by Jazzwares. Made in China. Alright. And yeah. Not much else. There's the UPC code there. Yeah, I think someone ripped off the tag. Anyways, this has like a really nice, like soft outer feeling. The material feels like kind of stretchy a bit. And it's very nice and plush, like super soft. Squishiness, it's like very nice as well. It doesn't feel like your usual plushies. It feels very like springy. But yeah, not really much else to say about it. Costco sells a lot of these. They sell like giant ones, like even bigger than this. They sell small ones, like I think 8-inch. I don't know what the giant one is, but I think it's like 20-inch or something or bigger. But they sell some like pretty big ones. Sometimes they even sell like sticker book stuff for it. They have a lot of different Squishmallow things. It's a very popular thing. They even have like Disney and yeah, they had like a Jack Skellington and a Mickey Mouse and random stuff. They have ones with like candies, kind of interesting. But yeah, not really much else to say about it. It's super nice, soft, squishy. You can use it as a nice pillow. The eyes here are embroidered on, which to me is a negative because you have this like super soft thing and then you have this rough like bump of stitched fabric there. So if you're using it as a pillow, you'll probably want to like lay on the back so that doesn't like rub on your face if you put your cheek on here. But if you just sleep with your head back like that, you won't have an issue. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Go grab one of these. They're really nice pillows. You can use them as decorative, actual useful pillows, not those squares that feel really bad on the skin, on your face, on your head. You can use these as actual pillows and you can decorate with them. So, yep. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.